I think when you think of jewelry, women just love it. So I'm very happy and very thankful to the team of Bluestone to invite me here today for their first Mumbai store launch. It's a beautiful brand. I think every single woman, every girl, every age group, whether you're married, unmarried, has something that will appeal to their personality from Bluestone. They've got a lot of delicate jewelry, everyday wearing stuff. It's traditional at the same time. It's contemporary. It's got a little modern touch to it. And I just realized that they also have like Mangal Sutras and stuff. So I'm also discovering a lot of the things that I haven't seen when I've gone on their online store. So it's really nice to have a showroom and a store to come to. So happy shopping to all the women. आई थिंक हर ज्वेलरी पीस के साथ मेमोरीज होती है बिकॉज स्पेशली वो जो पहला आपको जब द फर्स्ट piece of jewelry you get is from, it's always special कि मम्मी ने दिया हो या you get it from your grandmother. I think बच्चे लोग को the first thing you give, even when a baby is born, you'll get those little bangles and things like that. So for me, the one thing that I remember, I think मेरे जो 18 बर्थडे पर मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे उनके कुछ earrings दिए थे जो उनके पिताजी ने उनको दिया. So something that's passed down a few generations. So वो हमेशा special रहेगी. So for me, if I like something that I see, then I know I want it. It's very instinctive. I don't think I'm not somebody who'll minusculely pick it up. But when you're associated with a brand, whether it's Bluestone or a brand like this, then there's a credibility attached to it. So आप यहाँ पे आके ये नहीं देखोगे कि कैसा है. You will just enjoy the design, and I think for me the design is the most important.
In fact, that was one of the key things that we figured out in the category, which was missing. So while a lot of focus was there on trust, purity, etc., design somewhere took the back seat. So that is what we decided to bring back on the table. So we said, okay, while we have to maintain very good quality, very good trust and everything, but the designs should actually reflect the way Indian women are changing these days. The designs should not be reflective of our mothers and so on. And there was a reason for those designs. Those were chunky designs ostentatious designs that can actually be worn in wedding. But these days women go out a lot and they need a lot more jewelry that can be worn when they actually go out almost on an everyday basis. And that is what our design philosophy is. So this is for women, this is for today's women who doesn't need jewelry only on those marriage occasions, but who needs jewelry to whenever she steps out of the home.
Going to your office, or you're going anywhere, it's delicate, like you said, it's contemporary, and the designs are very unique and special. So, you feel like wearing it, So, एक को सुनने तो दो. एक सेकंड, आप बोलिए. इस स्टॉल से मैं क्या गिफ्ट करूँगी और वो कौन होगा. आई थिंक अभी टू बी गुड एट से मैं मम्मी को कुछ दूंगी, बट आई थिंक दैट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. क्रिसमस आ रहा है एंड आई सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस, सो माई 5 गर्लफ्रेंड्स आई लाइक टू गिव ईच ऑफ देम like something that I know would match their personality. So maybe like a ring for someone, earrings for someone, something that I know they will wear. So मेरी 5 favorite friends जो लड़कियाँ हैं उनको
इसके अलावा कलंक में भी आज काफ़ी काफ़ी शेड्यूल कर रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे शेड्यूल के बारे में?
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कलंक क्योंकि आपने पूछा है दैट्स आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बी डूइंग अ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस इट्स अ ह्यूज फिल्म एंड इट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम गोना बी डूइंग समथिंग इन द पीरियड स्पेस सो आई थिंक वेट फॉर इट बिकॉज we're very excited. I finished shooting for that. I've just begun shooting for both Kabir Singh and Good News simultaneously, and it's going very well, touch wood. So, with all your love and all the excitement that's been pouring onto us, we're very excited to continue the shoot and make a really good movie for you all as well. So it's a busy month.
Yeah, इसी के सामने आपकी फिल्म में कबीर सिंह को लेकर भी बहुत ज़्यादा बता रहा हूँ जिस तरीके से आपने तो क्या सीरियस है फिल्म का क्या
अभी हमने दिसंबर का स्केड्यूल जस्ट रैप किया है वे प्रेपिंग वे स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जैन तो देयर इज एक्चुअली नो टाइम बिकॉज क्रिसमस न्यू ईयर्स एंड वी गेट बैक स्ट्रेट इनटू शूट वी वे ऑफ टू दिल्ली so a very very happy new year to all the viewers. I hope 2019 is better than all your other years and the best is yet to come. Have a lovely safe new year.